If you're a Capricorn, the stars might be aligning for your financial breakthrough. With Saturn as your ruling planet, you are known for your discipline, ambition, and perseverance. But what if luck could give you an extra boost? Numerology and astrology suggest that certain numbers hold incredible potential for Capricorns. Numbers that could lead to fortune, success, and even a millionaire's lifestyle. As we approach March 31st, the cosmic energy is shifting, and these 5 numbers could be your ticket to abundance. Whether you're playing the lottery, investing, or making important financial decisions, using these numbers could amplify your success. The power of number 8 for Capricorns, your path to wealth and success. If you're a Capricorn, the number 8 could be your ultimate key to financial success. Known as the number of wealth, power, and karmic balance, 8 holds a special significance in astrology and numerology. Ruled by Saturn, your zodiac sign is naturally aligned with the energy of this prosperous number. Why is 8 so lucky for Capricorns? Saturn, the ruling planet of Capricorn, is often called the taskmaster of the zodiac. It rewards discipline, hard work, and perseverance. The number 8 symbolizes balance, the perfect harmony of effort and reward. For Capricorns, this number amplifies opportunities for financial growth and long-term success. From ancient civilizations to modern financial hubs, the number 8 has been viewed as a sign of abundance. Its symmetrical form represents infinity, symbolizing limitless potential. Many successful entrepreneurs, investors, and business leaders resonate with this number, and you could be next. How to harness the power of 8. Here's how you can make the most of this powerful number before March 31st. Play your luck. Whether it's the lottery, scratch cards, or casino games, consider using 8 or combinations like 88 and 818. Many Capricorns report unexpected financial wins with this number. Set financial goals. If you're planning a big financial decision like launching a business, investing in stocks, or purchasing property, do it on a date with 8 in it, like the 8th, 18th, or 28th. Manifest wealth. Incorporate the number 8 into your daily affirmations. Visualize abundance flowing to you, knowing the universe supports your financial dreams. Embrace karmic balance. The number 8 also reminds you that what you give, you receive. Stay generous, act with integrity, and watch your financial prosperity grow. Capricorns are naturally equipped with the determination to achieve great wealth. With the number 8 as your lucky charm, the possibilities are endless. Trust in your abilities. Align your goals with this powerful number and watch your path to millionaire status unfold. Your lucky break could be just around the corner. Will you seize it? The power of number 22 for Capricorns. Turning big dreams into reality. For Capricorns, the number 22 is no ordinary number. It's a master number in numerology, symbolizing ambition, balance, and the manifestation of big dreams. Known as the master builder, 22 carries the energy to transform even the most ambitious goals into reality. If you're considering making a major financial move or career shift, this number could be your cosmic green light. Why is 22 special for Capricorns? Capricorns are naturally determined and practical, always working toward long-term success. As Saturn's children, you excel at building solid foundations. The number 22 complements these strengths by adding a sense of boldness and visionary thinking. While Capricorns may plan meticulously, 22 encourages you to think beyond limitations and aim higher. Whether it's launching a business, making a significant investment, or chasing a career milestone, this number brings clarity and courage to take the leap. How to harness the energy of 22, major life decisions. Planning to invest in real estate, start a business, or make a career move. Choose a date with the number 22 for added luck and alignment. Visualize success. The number 22 thrives on manifestation energy. Spend time visualizing your goals with conviction, knowing you have the universe's support. Trust the process. Capricorns love control, but 22 teaches you to trust the timing. The universe may lead you in unexpected ways, all for your highest good. Embrace growth. This number is not just about financial success, it's also about personal growth. Be open to learning, networking, and expanding your horizons. If the number 22 keeps showing up in your life, take it as a sign. The stars are aligning for you to chase your biggest dreams before March 31st. Step boldly into your future, Capricorn. The master builder within you is ready to shine. Star. The power of number 17 for Capricorns. Prosperity and wisdom. Await, Capricorns. Get ready. The number 17 is your beacon of prosperity and spiritual growth. In numerology, 17 symbolizes success, long-term gains, and the wisdom needed to sustain both. Ruled by Saturn, you naturally possess determination and patience. When combined with the energy of 17, your ambitions can manifest into lasting financial rewards. Why is 17 a lucky number for Capricorns? The number 17 is a powerful blend of the numbers 1 and 7. The number 1 represents leadership, fresh beginnings, and determination, while 7 symbolizes inner wisdom and spiritual growth. Together, they form a number that not only attracts material success, but also ensures you have the insight to manage it wisely. For Capricorns who are known for their long-term planning and strategic thinking, 17 amplifies those strengths. It encourages you to trust your intuition and make financial decisions that will pay off in the long run. How to make the most of 17. Invest with confidence. If you're eyeing a business venture or a long-term investment, 17 is a sign to move forward. It's a number that rewards patience and careful planning. Trust your instincts. The spiritual aspect of 17 means you may experience strong gut feelings about financial decisions. Listen to that inner voice. It's guiding you toward success. Set long-term goals. Think beyond quick wins. The energy of 17 is all about building a legacy. Focus on investments that promise stability and growth over time. Manifest abundance. Incorporate the number 17 into your affirmations or daily routines. Visualize financial prosperity flowing towards you. The power of number 31 for Capricorns. Your path to transformation and wealth. Capricorns, if you've been waiting for a sign to take a bold step toward success, the number 31 might be it. In numerology, 31 is a symbol of transformation, ambition, and achievement. It holds the energy needed to turn dreams into reality. And for someone as hardworking as you, it could be the key to unlocking millionaire status before March ends. Why is 31 lucky for Capricorns? Capricorns are ruled by Saturn, a planet of discipline and perseverance. The number 31 resonates with this energy, encouraging determination and smart decision-making. It's a combination of two powerful numbers. 3 represents creativity, self-expression, and growth. It brings joy and inspiration to your goals. 1 symbolizes leadership, confidence, and the courage to take charge of your destiny. Together, 31 creates a number that inspires action and rewards resilience. If you've been contemplating a career change, a business venture, or a financial investment, now's the time to act. How to use 31 to your advantage. Set bold goals. Dream big. The number 31 supports ambitious goals. Write down what financial success looks like for you and create actionable steps. Take calculated risks. Whether it's investing in stocks, launching a side hustle, or pursuing a promotion, use the energy of 31 to confidently make bold moves. Stay positive. Transformation isn't always easy, but with 31 on your side, obstacles become opportunities. Stay resilient and focused on the long-term rewards. Visualize your success. Incorporate the number 31 in your daily affirmations. Picture yourself achieving your financial goals and living the life of your dreams. The power of number 4 for Capricorns. Building stability and wealth. Capricorns, if financial security and long-term growth are your goals, the number 4 is your ultimate ally. In numerology, 4 represents stability, discipline, and strong foundations, values that align perfectly with your practical and hard-working nature. With Saturn as your ruling planet, this number amplifies your natural strengths, making it an excellent choice for financial planning and smart investments. Why is 4 a lucky number for Capricorns? The number 4 is all about building something that lasts. Whether it's a career, a business, or a financial portfolio, this number encourages patience and perseverance. Capricorns are known for their dedication, and 4 provides the grounding energy needed to stay focused on long-term success. It also signifies reliability and order, ensuring that every decision you make is thoughtful and calculated. While others may chase quick wins, 4 supports steady growth, the kind that turns dreams into lasting wealth. How to harness the power of 4 for financial success. Invest in long-term growth. Consider real estate, retirement funds, or low-risk investments. The energy of 4 favors stability over volatility. Plan strategically. Create a clear financial roadmap with achievable goals. The number 4 thrives on well-structured plans. Stay disciplined. Whether it's sticking to a budget, saving consistently, or growing a business, channel the energy of 4 to stay on track. How to use Capricorn's lucky numbers for maximum financial success. Capricorns, your time to shine financially has arrived. With the universe sending you powerful energy, your lucky numbers 8, 22, 17, 31, and 4 could be the key to unlocking wealth and stability before March ends. Whether you're aiming to boost your investments, grow your business, or simply test your luck, these numbers offer an extra edge. Here's how you can use them to maximize your financial potential. 1. Lottery and gambling. If you enjoy the thrill of the lottery, scratch-off tickets, or casino games, consider using your lucky numbers when making selections. Many believe that numbers aligned with your zodiac sign carry special luck, especially when played on dates that resonate with them, like the 8th, 22nd, or 31st of the month. Tips for winning luck. Combine your lucky numbers into your lottery ticket choices. Play games that involve picking numbers such as Powerball or Mega Millions. Visit a casino on a date that features one of your numbers. Set a budget and play responsibly, trusting the cosmic energy on your side. 2. Investments and business decisions. Capricorns are known for their strategic thinking and long-term vision, making investments and business ventures natural avenues for success. Your lucky numbers can help you time your decisions for maximum impact. How to align with success. Schedule major financial moves, like buying stocks, launching a product, or signing a contract on dates aligned with your lucky numbers. Set goals in increments of 4, 8, 17, 22, or 31. For example, aim to grow your portfolio by 8%, or set a savings milestone of $17,000. Negotiate deals or finalize partnerships when these numbers appear in calendar dates. 4. Aligning your mindset with abundance numbers can influence not just your actions, but also your mindset. When you focus on your lucky numbers, you align yourself with the vibrations of wealth, growth and success. Affirm these beliefs. 8. I am financially empowered and attract endless opportunities. 22. I build my dreams with confidence, knowing success is inevitable. 17. Prosperity and wisdom guide my financial decisions. 31. Transformation leads me to abundance beyond my imagination. 4. My financial foundation is strong and secure. Why Capricorns are poised for success. As a Capricorn, you naturally possess discipline, patience, and determination, traits that set you apart in the financial world. With your lucky numbers on your side, you're not just hoping for luck, you're creating it. Pro tip: keep an eye on dates that include your lucky numbers. The universe often communicates through small signs, so trust your intuition. If an opportunity arises around one of your numbers, it could be a sign to seize it. Your millionaire moment awaits. Capricorns, the universe is aligning in your favor, and your lucky numbers, 8, 22, 17, 31, and 4, are powerful tools to attract wealth and success. Whether you're trying your luck in the lottery, making strategic investments, or simply manifesting abundance, these numbers can give you the edge you need. Stay intentional with your choices. Mark key dates, trust your instincts, and take bold steps toward financial growth. With your natural determination and the energy of these numbers, incredible opportunities are within reach. The stars are rooting for your success. Will you be the next Capricorn millionaire star?